Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G. Do you remember this wreath? I made this wreath about 2 years ago, I think. I will link the video so it pops out now. Or it'll be at the end, or both. I still love this wreath because it still reminds me of spring. I was gifted this Dollar Tree egg hanging from the lovely Donna Jackson over at Create and More with Donna Jackson, and I got that last year, but I've taken the centerpiece out because I want to put that there. And then I've created this bow. So instead of, I do like to reuse my things that I've created, and I was thinking about using the carrots. I don't think I want these daisies to be on it now, so I'm going to take these daisies off. And I can always add them back if I want to because they're not hot glued on. That was one of the things that I do like to do things so they're not hot glued. So these have just got pins running through them. These daisies are actually available in my store, and that's createathomewithg.com. So I'm just going to pull those out. Any more? Nope. And I've got my hot glue gun on because if I can help it, I don't really want to hot glue too much on. I'm going to put some twine around this and actually tie this on. Tie it on so it still hangs in the right place. So I'm just going to cut some of this off. I want it so it's about there. So I'm just going to tie the back. So I'm just simply tying the back so that can hang there. And I probably will have to hot glue on the bow, but at least it's only one thing that I'm hot gluing on. So this is just a double bow that I made. I just followed some tutorials on YouTube. I didn't want I just wanted a very rustic bow. So I'm going to hot glue that to the top. I'm just going to put a whole heap of hot glue at the back here. So this wreath has lasted me for this will be its third Easter outing. And not only is it going to be its third, it's also been altered so it looks different. I made it look slightly different last year by adding different things, taking the sign off, and then I think I could hot glue these tails just so they are going in got a nice sort of direction to them. Okay, let me go and get some of those carrots that I've altered, and I'll be right back. Okay crafters, here are some of the raffia wrapped carrots that I did as topiaries. Now the lovely thing about these carrots is if you can put in a toothpick, I can submerge them into this wreath and it's not permanent. So there we go. So rejigged for this spring, the spring Easter of 2018. And I really like that way that turned out. So I am going down the kind of neutral rustic kind of look. I could hot glue that in if I wanted to, but I don't think I will. But I quite like the way that turned out. So thank you very much for coming and joining me today with this repurposing of this wreath. If you have got wreaths of your own, look at them in different ways. If you like the base and you don't like the the other bits and pieces you've got on there, just rejig them. This particular wreath ribbon is from my store, and the carrots are from my store, and then I just used Poundland raffia. So I shall link that video at the end also. So thank you very much for joining me, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.